What's up, my anomalous crew? Unfortunately, this video got cut out audio wise, and I end up having to do this voiceover for the beginning, so bear with me. But right now I'm just showing you everything that came in my DYHAIR777 package, and they gave me some lashes, so thank you, DYHAIR777. You the bomb. And I'm showing you the frontal because I was really impressed that they pre-plucked and gave me baby hairs. So far so good. The only disclosure that I will put at the beginning of this video is that this hair is like a hat. You cannot wear this hair all the time because it sometimes, even in Michigan, it's too hot outside. And that's what I noticed, that I cannot wear this hair all the time because of the fact that it is like a hat and it gets hot under there. It gets really hot. So this is what it looks like on, and as you can see, it's really thick, really big, and it needs a lot of shaping. So that's what I'm going to show you later on, and I proceed to talk to this point. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Love you guys. Also, let's cut the bull crap. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm going to tell you the whole truth on this wig. Nothing is getting held back in this video. I have been manipulating this hair for a month so far, and I can tell you everything from square one to square five. I'm going to be honest in this video. So if you think that I'm getting paid to do this review, you are wrong. Just keep watching and you will be hip to everything about this wig. This is all the hair on my head. 20 inches, and I brushed all the curls out so you can see the true length. And as you can see, it comes to about boob length on me, and I'm like 5'1", 5'2"-ish, so that length on me is pretty long. It's like longer than average for some people. Like sometimes 20 inches on people looks normal, like a 16 or 18 inch, just because of their height. But on me it looks longer. I was worried that it wasn't thick enough, but it is more than enough hair. Like, it is more than enough hair. So far, because I wore it today, I did cut the lace off, and this is how it looks. It did come with like some little baby hairs in the front. I'll show you guys later. And you could even do bangs if you wanted to. You can just cut like this, but I don't know if I want to do that yet, and I don't want to risk messing this hair up. So what I can say is that when I got in the shower and I washed the hair, it was really soft. A con for me, but maybe a pro for you, is that when I did wet this hair, it soaked, but it didn't soak to a point where it laid flat to my face. Whenever I soak this hair in the shower, I soaked it twice in the shower. I took a shower last night, and I took a shower this morning. So whenever I soaked the hair, which was twice, it never really soaked to the point of it laying like flat down, which is what I wanted it to do. It only soaked to the point of curling the hair back up, but it still had like a semi poof to it. So the hair never laid flat down to my face when washing it. It never looked like this straight out the shower. It usually just looks like this out the shower. So it gets bigger over time, which I knew was gonna happen, but I just really wanted to get that soak look. Like, I really want to look like little Indian. Like, I want the curls to be curly, but I wanted them to look a little bit more like, I don't know, I wanted them to be a little bit more stretched, I guess. And like, I don't know, maybe I just want the hair to be a little more thinner, but that's not a big problem for me. I don't really care. I can say this hair did get softer when I washed it. The curls are amazing, and this hair overall is amazing. I do recommend this hair. You see me just like feeling on it and stuff. So far I've just cut the lace off around the perimeter of the front, and it did have like a little bit of like a 360 feel to it. It's not a full 360 lace, but in the back it did have lace that I also had to cut. and I'm guessing that that's just if you want to do a cute ponytail and put like a headband on or something, you could, which is awesome. I'm glad they did that. They were thinking ahead of the game, which is smart. So far I cut the lace off, and then all I did, because this is a free part, it doesn't have a defined part in it, so all I did is I went in with tweezers and I made the part where I wanted it, and then I kind of defined it by plucking out some hair. When you don't tweeze the part to make it look like a part, it looks very weird, and it just looks like you tried to make a part but it didn't work. So I'm going to show you now what it looks like when you don't tweeze a part. See, it's there, but you can barely see the part. So imagine me trying to go out and trying to like just wear this little part compared to this part that I plucked and made a little thicker, so it actually looks natural. It looks like a regular part. So that's what I did, and now I'm just about to shape this hair for you guys and then wet it so y'all can see the whole rundown. I promise I will share the rundown with you guys. So here it goes. So the next part of this video is just going to be me wetting the hair. If you want to fast forward, you can. But this hair was about $170, just rounding up the price. But that is good for a wig that has already been pre-plucked, that is 20 inches long, and that is really soft and curly. So I think I got a deal from this hair. If you think so, leave a thumbs up down below and comment some comments so that I can know what to do in future reviews. As you can see, it's getting a shape already, but I'm really not going to mess with it a lot, because every time I mess with a weave too much, and I'm looking into the viewfinder a lot just because that's the only like mirror I have, but every time I look in, like I'm cutting too much in my hair and I'm worrying too much about it, I end up over cutting. So I'm going to stop right here, and I'm just going to wet it for you guys so you guys can see. So you guys can see what it looks like wet and get the final like overall view of this hair. So right now the hair is like lightweight, doesn't have any product in it, so when it dries and you keep touching it, it's obviously going to get bigger. But if you put product in it, I'm pretty sure the curls will get denser so that you will still have this kind of flat look that I have to my hair right now. And if you want your hair to stay flat, like I really like the flat curl look, sometimes I don't want my hair like all the way out here, so I may put like conditioner on it and just make the curls a little denser so that they have something to stick to and something holding them down, so that even if I am touching my hair all day, it's not going to get as frizzy as it would if I have no product in it like I do right now. And as you can see, like if I waited a little longer, you can see that the hair just keeps getting bigger and bigger. And I may eventually end up dyeing this hair, which then I will insert a video about how it got dyed and whatnot. But if you guys want to see that video, leave a thumbs up down below. This is the hair. If y'all, let me lay my baby hairs for y'all. So if y'all not hip to this edge control, this is the edge control that I always use, and this is even edge control, 24-hour edge tamer. And they have different colors, but this is the extreme firm hold one. And I'm just going to go in and lay some edges down. As you can see, it's some right there and a few right there, and you can just go in and lay some edges if you want to. I'm probably not going to do this a lot, but if you really want some edges, you can see that they are possible to get. So yeah, these are some edges. If you really wanted them, I'll probably get more intense with the edges as I keep filling in this hair and like cutting it and shaping it to my face and whatnot. But this is the hair. I'm going to take this to college. I'm going to be wearing this probably most of the summer, and I'm probably going to get like maybe a straight wig or a body wave wig, probably body wave, and just review some wigs for y'all because everybody needs a wig. I'm sorry to say, but sew-ins are not always the move. And if you have a good wig with a nice lace and some nice baby hairs, I mean, easy peasy lemon squeezy, pop that boy on, put some braids in, and leave your hair alone. I promise you, you won't regret it. Remember, y'all, my anomalous crew, always stay anomalous, stay different. Peace.